My name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 2018 Nautique GS20. As you can see, it comes on a tandem axle trailer. The tower has a board rack on each side, as well as two JL Audio tower speakers. Here in the back, we have a swim platform with SeaDek flooring. SeaDek goes throughout the entire boat. As you can see, if you're sitting at a sandbar, there's a radio control here in the back. Another spot both on both sides seats here to put your boards on. Like all of our GS20s, we have a center walkthrough, and again, SeaDek flooring throughout the entire boat. Here in the bow, we have the speakers, JL Audio speakers, as well as cup holders and phone chargers. Comfortable seating areas. Here in the co-captain seat, underneath here is storage as well as a subwoofer. There's also a airtight chamber in here for you to put all your belongings, your phones, your money, keys, and everything. JL Audio sound system, charging ports for all your phone. Here at the helm, we have a nice seat here with a flip-up bolster, two heat vents underneath. You have your gorgeous, huge, fully touchscreen 12-inch screen. This controls everything, your music, GoPro, ballast, everything. Off to the left here, spot to hold your cell phone, as well as spot here to put anything you'd like as well. This boat seats 12. It's got subfloor ballast tanks. There's a wraparound seating bench in the rear. And the spot where you don't see a cushion, there is an upholstery seat that snaps in there. Lots of cup holders. Again, more JL Audio sound system. This boat is gorgeous inside and out. All right, hold on a second. Again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. And you just viewed the 2018 Super Air Nautique GS20. We have plenty of these in stock. Stop out here at Rogers, Minnesota. Check one out today.